listen, take one. That you don't know what that bass runs from. Okay, this is the rubber string bass. Don't sound right. Try it up here a little.
I think those are tuned AAE.
So we're missing one string that we already broke. That don't sound too bad. I played them both in front of people, and I played the stand-up bass as well, and I liked this one. Going into a jam, just not knowing anything of the music that's going to be played or anything like that, it's easy to fit in on this one. But these strings, they tend to stretch. You tune it, and it's all of a sudden it's kind of not tuned. And like I said, just trying to get this thing in tune today, we broke the one string. But outside of that, yeah, I don't mind it at all.
So differences here. This one is a rubber string bass.
Rubber strings, yeah.
A lot smaller than a regular size
And
bass.
this is a Kayla, and the guy that sold it to me, it took a couple of years to talk him into it. He didn't want to sell it. I think he had two. He didn't want to sell this one. So. This is a lot easier on your fingers too than say playing a stand-up or even a regular bass. The strings tend to be thicker and they're harder on your fingers if you're, say, used to playing a 6-string acoustic or electric guitar. Just a different deal. So it's a horse of one color. One thing too is these frets on the Kayla are a lot closer together. I normally play a 3/4 size Hoffman, a Hoffman knockoff, and that the frets are closer together. And the same thing here with the Kayla. You can see on the big bass those frets are farther apart. So that's another difference. How you tune your dials here as well. And whatever amp you're using. Generally speaking, the bass amp should have twice as much power as the regular guitar amp. Yeah, this is, Even though the frets are farther apart and this is the bigger, heavier bass, I still like it better. For a few reasons, it just sounds more like a bass, feels more like a bass, even though the frets are pretty far apart. It's that little riff is from an Animals song. I think we gotta get out of this place. Is that it? Yeah. Okay, so there you have the two basses and the differences between them. This one's obviously a lot heavier than the Kayla as well. But sometimes too, when you're traveling around and you're going from jam to jam, and you're you know, carrying that Kayla around is a lot easier. It takes up less room. Okay, there it is.